What's up, YouTube? I got some good news for all my SCHD investors. As always, I got a jam-packed video for you guys, so please keep it locked. Please make sure to like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, SCHD, if you own that particular ETF, let me know down in the comments below. I got some phenomenal news I want to share with you, and get ready for even more exciting news later this month. Okay, this article right here, guys, and this update I have is coming from Seeking Alpha. The SCHD projected reconstitution changes. Now this happens every year, okay, and so it is March and we got some new companies that's going to get added to the SCHD ETF, but I want to read this to you. Like many SCHD shareholders, I'm looking forward to this year's index reconstitution, scheduled following the close of business on Friday, March 21st. So mark your calendars, guys, for March 21st. If you already hold SCHD, get ready. If you don't, you need to make sure you get it before then, okay? I expect my summary to be published around the following Monday, but historically, many of the index deletions are yield-driven and not due to changes in fundamentals. As you might know, SCHD selects only from the top 50% of dividend-paying stocks after first screening for 10 consecutive years of dividend payments and excluding REITs. So they don't invest in real estate investment trusts. Those are like REITs, okay? And so you will have the top dividend companies inside of SCHD, but none will be REITs. Please make note of that for those that don't know that. With this in mind, I performed these screens and determined that the minimum dividend yield will be approximately 2.41%. That is healthy. If accurate, this would spell the end of Home Depot and BlackRock, currently the number 7 and number 9 largest holdings in SCHD. Fastenal will also likely be deleted, while smaller holdings like Cincinnati Financial and Packaging Corporation of America could go either way. Okay, that's just a couple little notes, but guys, but be on the lookout for the companies that will be removed as well as the companies that will be added at and around March 21st. Okay, now you guys already know. Let's go ahead and go under the hood and let's look at Coach's position. If you don't have this, guys, please get this as part of the mix. Okay, this is one of those assets that will, again, help you get off the corporate plantation, surpass your full-time job, all of that. SCHD, guys, sitting at $28.07 right now. Let's go ahead and unpack this. For the week, it is down 1%. For the month, it is flat, up 0.75%. 3 months, it is down 3%. Year to date, it is up 2.18%. Past year, it's up 7%. Past 5 years, it is up 62%, guys. Again, you want to buy low, that'll be $14, and you want to be on the ride when it's way up here at around $29. Okay, now mind you, this was a stock split. This stock has been moving a little bit different since the stock split, but let's go ahead and look at this, guys. Okay, Coach currently has 1,449 shares, 0.86866. I reinvest my dividends, so that is these fractional shares getting bought on top of the stocks I originally bought. Okay, I still invest $50 every single day. My average cost is currently $24.56. I'm up 14% on this despite them being down the past month and looking like it's around a little bit over $5,000. Okay, look right here, you guys see my current reinvestment, $50 daily. Okay, so it's 50 today, 50 tomorrow, and I will continue to do the same. But let's go ahead and look at some of the sectors that SCHD has inside of this ETF. Financial services and healthcare makes up over 17.5% respectively. Consumer defensive and energy come in next. Technology and industrials come in after that, up at 10%. over 10.5%, I should say. Consumer cyclical is at 10%, but then communication services at 4%. Basic materials is at 0.003%. Okay, some of the top holdings inside of here. Okay, AbbVie takes the cake with 4.86%. Okay, that this is made up of AbbVie. Okay, Coca-Cola is next with 4.72% in terms of the top 10. Amgen is at 4.5%. Cisco Systems is at 4.31%. Pfizer is at 4.2%. Verizon is at 4.1%. Bristol Myers Squibb is at 4.1%. Texas Instrument is at 4%. PepsiCo is at 3.9%. And Chevron is at 3.9% as well. Okay, these are the top 10 plays inside of this. All right, and so you will notice definitely in turbulent times they manage the storm a lot better. Okay, but guess what? Even if they dip down, that's a buying opportunity for you, because if you get this low and you have a long-term outlook, you can't go wrong. Okay, but listen, man, we got the reconstitution. We're going to get some other heavy hitters added to these fire plays, these fire dividend plays already, and so that should be something that we should all get excited about. Remember, guys, I consistently invest $50 a day into this like clockwork. I make money trading options, and to make sure I don't give the money back to Wall Street, we put it in SCHD. Okay, do not leave this part of the game out on your 100K challenge. Okay, yes, you need to make sure you are building out your emergency fund. Yes, you need to get your Roth IRA established. Yes, you need to max that out. But once you get your affairs in order, on top of everything else, you need to make sure the money you make off the trades that you guys are in, based on the money team, the trades you get every day in the Discord, you are deploying that money into assets that can continue to work on your behalf. The one thing we love about the stock market, it doesn't need an off day, a mental health day, a vacation day, a PTO day, or any of that. You make the money and you put it in an asset and you let it do the heavy lifting on your behalf. Okay, SCHD is one of those ones. Of course, there are many others, but you want to have this as a hallmark of your portfolio. If you do, let me know how many shares you have, as well as your average cost. Okay, as always, guys, I'm proud of you. Keep up the good work. This is a marathon, so remember to run your race at your pace. Get 1% better each day. Take it one day at a time, one play at a time. I want to see everybody in the Discord first thing in the morning, so we can get to the money and make sure we are putting the finishing touches on this crazy week we had. Okay, but in the midst of the craziness, it provides life-changing opportunity. And if you can buy stocks when they are down and you can see them at lower prices than they normally are, that's a sign of how you get wealthy. Okay, you have to buy low. When people are fearful, that's when you got to step in and have some faith and be buying, because when the storm passes and the dust settle, guess what? We got clear blue skies waiting for us down the road. Okay, so you have to be in it to win it. You got to be in it for the long haul, guys. Make sure SCHD is part of the overall mix of stocks that you have and hold. Okay, with that being said, man, we're gonna get up out of here. We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. But do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.